In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new account in the chart of accounts. Whether you're looking to manage new investments or simply streamline your accounting processes, adding a new account can significantly improve how you track your financials. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process smoothly and efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Accountant tab in your accounting software. This section is crucial as it houses all the important tools needed for managing your financial accounts. Once there, locate and click on Chart of Accounts. This area serves as the backbone of your accounting system and is where all your financial information is organized, providing clear insights into your company's financial health. Next, you'll see an option to add a new account. Click on Plus New Account. This is your gateway to setting up a new ledger, and it's where you'll define and categorize your new investment or financial activity. Once you've clicked that, you'll need to enter a descriptive account name. This name is vital, as it helps you identify the account at a glance in the future. Consider names that are both specific and informative, like mutual funds or investment in company name. Keeping your account names clear and descriptive can prevent confusion down the line and help you quickly access the information you need. After naming your account, it's time to choose an appropriate account type. This is an important step, as selecting the correct type affects how your account is used and reported in your financial statements. If your new account concerns long-term investments like property or machinery, choose Fixed Asset. For investments such as mutual funds, opt for Other Current Asset. Lastly, if the investment is from a new owner, Equity would be the most suitable choice. This categorization ensures accurate tracking and reporting for your business. Once you've selected the correct account type, proceed to fill in any other required details. These might include information such as the account number, description, or tax-related fields. Entering complete and accurate information here is essential for proper bookkeeping and future reference. Accuracy at this stage can save you time and effort later when reviewing financial records or preparing financial statements. Finally, with all necessary details filled in, review your entries to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, go ahead and click Save. This final action will officially add your new account to the chart of accounts, making it part of your financial tracking system. From here, you can begin using the account to effectively monitor and manage your investment activities. And that's it. You've successfully created a new account within your chart of accounts. This straightforward process is designed to help simplify and enhance your financial management, giving you greater control and clarity over your investments and assets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on effective accounting practices.